You didn't lose your morning at 9 a.m. You lost it last night. At 11:47, when you said, just one more video. When you left your phone charging beside the bed. When you decided tomorrow you would somehow wake up focused, motivated, and magically know exactly what to do. Then, the alarm rings. You reach for the phone. You make 12 tiny decisions before your feet hit the floor. And by the time you sit down to do something that actually matters, your morning is already gone. Here's the thing. Most morning advice tells you to wake up at 5 a.m., take a cold shower, and develop superhuman discipline. But waking up earlier with the same broken setup just gives you more time to waste. It's like buying a bigger bucket when the problem is the hole in the bottom. The real fix is simpler. Stop asking your half-awake brain to rescue you. Because let's be honest, morning you has the decision-making skills of a toddler with a credit card. So here are 3 things you can set up tonight that make tomorrow morning much harder to mess up. Fix 1. Make your phone sleep somewhere else. If your phone is the last thing you touch at night and the first thing you touch in the morning, it owns both ends of your day. You're basically renting your brain out to strangers on the internet for free. Don't rely on willpower while you're still under the blanket. Half-awake you is not winning that fight. Put the phone across the room. Or better, in another room entirely. Use a $5 alarm clock like it's 2003. The goal isn't to become a monk who resists all temptation. The goal is to make temptation slightly annoying to reach. That's it. Friction is the whole strategy. Fix 2. Build a 10-minute launchpad. Most morning routines fail because they read like a to-do list for a different person. Wake up, meditate, journal, exercise, read, cold plunge, learn Mandarin, become enlightened, all before 7 a.m. That's not a routine. That's a second job. Here's what actually works. Prepare only the first 10 minutes. Lay out your clothes tonight. Fill a glass of water. Leave your notebook open on the desk. Put your shoes by the door. Your morning should feel like knocking over dominoes. One obvious action leading to the next. No decisions, no debating. Just follow the path you already built. And while you're at it, kill the small choices too. What to wear, what to eat, what to do first. Decide them once, and let boring win. Boring mornings beat inspired mornings every single time, because boring mornings actually show up. Fix 3. Choose tomorrow's first win. Work on my project is not a task. It's a vague cloud of possible tasks disguised as a plan. That's why you open your laptop and immediately end up on YouTube watching a raccoon steal a hot dog. Before bed, pick one clear, visible action. Open the document and write the first paragraph. Read the first 10 lines of the report, put on your shoes, and walk for 10 minutes. Make it so specific that morning, you cannot possibly misunderstand it. You don't need to plan the entire day. You need one clean win that creates momentum. That first win makes the next action easier. Because here's the truth. A good morning isn't built by a more motivated version of you. It's built by a smarter version of you the night before. Tonight, don't promise yourself that tomorrow will be different. Promises are cheap. Setup is real. Move the phone. Build the launchpad. Choose the first win. Make the right morning easier than the wrong one, before morning you gets a vote. So tell me in the comments, which one are you setting up tonight? The phone move, the launchpad, or the first win? And if this made sense to you, hit subscribe. Because tomorrow you deserves better than another 11:47 scroll session. As always, keep growing every day.